Hi guys, just want to give the Ferrari a run in this underpass. I've put my GoPro up there just to see how it does in reduced lighting. So we'll just run this around over there and then review the footage. Well, I do believe I wasn't filming. That's typical. I didn't set the GoPro up right. That's annoying. Well, that was a bit of fun. That was actually the second attempt, because it looks like I forgot to switch my GoPro on the first time. Luckily there was enough power left in the battery for a second run. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.